Indigenous children will be at the front line of disaster risk reduction. The project was inspired by all those Indigenous children that were scared of the fires, were sad because their schools had to close down for several days, and their communities had to be displaced and they had to leave the forest. If wildfires are not controlled, they will just have to leave their home. And I think this would be a great loss, not only for them, but for the entire humanity. This will be done combining indigenous knowledge from the elders of the communities and villages with low-cost technologies such as drones and smartphones. The project envisions that they will be echoing their voices so that local and national authorities as well as the international community hear their voices